Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiance Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much and I love you all. And guys, today we are going to be talking about body oil for a moisturizing and a glow skin. Yes, because it seems I've been doing a lot of lightening body oil and most of my subscribers are asking me to do for glowing skin. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you these oils you can actually use for a glowing skin. Yeah, so our online training class is still going on. If you want to learn how to make handmade skincare products, so you can join the online training class. You can register and be a pro. Yeah, so my WhatsApp contact is below the comment section or below the description box. You can chat me up, then we can take it up from there. And please, if you're not coming to buy my skincare products, if you're not coming to buy if you're not coming to register for the online training class, do not come to my WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp is strictly for business, because most of my subscribers to come to my WhatsApp number and be asking me about the ingredient I use in making my base cream, the ingredient I use in making lotion. Please, it's not allowed. Ask your question here on the comment section. So guys, here are the oils for a glowing skin, for a brightening and moisturized skin. We have these two oils. Don't know if you can see this. This is the Desea, this is the Desea carrot oil. So this one is the vitamin C oil. So the vitamin C oil is actually great. Anything with vitamin C is good on the skin. So, and the other one is the carrot miracle. So this one, they actually wrote whitening on it. So this one, they actually wrote whitening on it, but trust me, it will not whiten your skin. This product is made from Thailand or Philippines, I don't know. Their products, they always target lightening, not even lightening, they always tag their product as a whitening product. But trust me, you're not going to get anything like whitening. Even lightening, I doubt it. So if you're using this, if you see this oil, this carrot, Desea carrot oil, because they wrote whitening on it, does not mean that it's actually going to whiten your skin. But it is actually great when it comes to glowing, moisturizing, and what is it called, brightening. So I'm going to tell you one thing. When it comes to a body oil for a glowing skin, guys, I will advise you don't use the one made in Africa. Okay, any body oil for moisturizing, for glowing, don't use the one that is made in Africa, like Abidjan. Yeah, those places, they know how to make things like that. Abidjan, Cameroon, yes. So don't use any of those oil if you're going for brightening, guys. Trust me, because they are actually going to lighten up your skin. They are actually going to lighten up your skin, because one thing I've noticed about this African product, they will target brightening, but there are some things they actually add inside, which they are not going to even write the ingredients on the product. But when you start using that product, you see that the product is actually lightening your skin, like something like cocoa butter, cocoa butter body lotion. Normally it's actually for a brightening skin, but when you use it, you start seeing some lightening on it, okay, on your skin. And that is why I'm recommending this oil. This is Desea oil. Okay, this is Desea oil. Any of this one you can use. They have the papaya one. This one is the carrot, and this one is the vitamin C, and they also have the papaya Desea oil. So like I said before, you may see something like whitening on it, but trust me, it is not going to whiten your skin. Okay, so this one is going to moisturize your skin. Now I'm going to read the ingredients on it so that you can know actually the stuff you want to buy. Okay, for the vitamin C, the ingredient here is mineral oil, citrus lemon peel, which is a lemon oil. Okay, lemon oil, and the capric something, I cannot even pronounce that one, and sweet almond oil, and vitamin E. So these are the things they use in making this oil. So it's going to leave your skin moisturized. And one thing I love about this oil, it's not going to be too shining on the skin. This oil is actually light too. It's just like water. The oil is just like water. It's actually light, so it's not going to be too shining on your skin, just like olive oil. When you apply olive oil on your skin, it is going to be too shiny. So olive oil is actually good for a very tough skin and for a very dried skin. So for this one, anybody can use this one, even if you have a tough skin, even if you have a sensitive skin, even if you have oily skin. So you can actually use this. Now guys, I'm not going to recommend using these oils on your face. No, I'm actually not going to recommend using it on your face, okay? Because I don't know if you have acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin, there are some oils that is not allowed on your face because it's going to trigger your acne, okay? So that is why I'm saying this oil, I'm not going to recommend this oil on your face. So maybe in my next video I can do a video of a oil you can actually apply on your face, but this one, it can be used for your body. And if you're using any body lotion and the lotion is not that oiling, for a brown skin person, no, not a light skin person, okay, and you just want to add any oil to it just to make the lotion to be moisturizing enough on your skin, so why not? You can mix these oils. And one thing is that they are very, very cheap, okay? They are very, very, very cheap. You can get this if you're in Nigeria, you can get this in market. If you're in Europe, you can get this from me, or you can get it from eBay. It's actually on eBay, and it's also, you can also get it on Amazon, okay? So if you want to order directly from me, you can order directly from me. And I know some people will be asking me on my comment section if they can actually mix this oil, like you want to mix it with something else. I don't know what you're going to be mixing it with, but I prefer you just use this alone. Like after you finish taking your bath, it's very light. You finish taking your bath, just pour it on your palm and you are good to go. Now let me just, this one is almost finished, so let me just pour this on my palm so that you see what I'm talking about. So you can see, guys, this is actually very light. So once you rub this on your skin, you're going to, you can see how shiny it is. You can see it brings out that glow on your skin, and it's very, very light. It's not going to be too shiny, or it's not going to be too heavy on your skin. You know, this oil, once you apply it, you can go to bed directly and sleep. It's not going to be it's not going to be too, should I say, too heavy. You know, there are some body oils you apply on your skin, you cannot even put on your clothes immediately because of the too shiny and the too heavy, you know. So that is it, guys. And you can actually use this to promise a lightening oil if you want. For those that want to lighten up, I'm doing this video actually for people just for brown skin, those that just want to moisturize their skin, okay? So but for those that want to lighten up, yeah, why not? You can actually promise with this one. And for sellers, if you want to actually maybe you want to promise a glow or a brightening oil, yeah, you can actually promise with this one, but just make sure that you are also adding the oils that you're going to be promising with. They are not going to be heavy, okay? The oils are just going to be light like this one. They're just going to be light like this one. So like sunflower oil is also a very, very light oil. You can mix with sunflower oil, but trust me, if you're going to be adding olive oil, yeah, oh, it's just going to, you know, the way olive oil is now, when you want to cook with olive oil, is actually thick. That is why I don't recommend olive oil when it comes to a oily skin person. But somebody that have a very dried, cracked skin can actually use olive oil. But for this one, for a glowing skin, guys, go for this one. Trust me, you're going to come back and tell me thank you for this review, okay? You're going to come back and tell me thank you for this review, okay? It's very, very nice on the skin. You can see, moisturizing and glowing. So guys, that is it for today's video. And what will I be shooting next? I don't know, but just make sure you turn on your notification bell so that any video I drop, you're going to get it immediately, okay guys? So See you soon in my other next video. Bye.